We want to talk to you. Do you care about the nature, about the planet life, about the futures of the ones who you love? Can you identify a good cause? Can you take action to help the life around you? Are you part of this planet? Do you appreciate the entire globe? We believe you are this kind of person. That's why we are here to introduce you a little bit about Nature Conservancy, an organization working around the world to protect ecologically important land and water for nature and people. We address threats to conservation involving climate change, fire, fresh water, forest, invasive species, and marine ecosystems. The mission of the Nature Conservancy is to preserve the plants, animals, and natural communities that represent the diversity of life on Earth by protecting the lands and waters they need to survive. We work in Africa, Asia Pacific, Caribbean, Central America, North America, South America. Also in these habitats, coral reef, forest, great rivers, islands, marine ecosystems, rainforest, and tropical forest. You can help preserve plants, animals, and natural communities all over the world, each and every single day. We are fighting global warming and preserving oceans, rivers, and protecting areas. Be part of those good actions. Take a responsibility as human and take care of our big home Earth.